Handling multiple conditions in Excel with if. Have you ever found yourself needing to evaluate several conditions in Microsoft Excel? If so, you are in for a treat. Today, we will talk about how to handle multiple conditions using the logical if function. This is a fundamental skill in Excel that can make your spreadsheets much more dynamic and responsive. Let's start with the basic syntax of the if function. The formula looks like this. If logic haltest, value if true, value if false. This means that you can test one condition and return one value if it is true and another if it is false. But what if you need to check more than one condition? To handle multiple conditions, you can use the AND function with if. This requires that all conditions must be true. For example, if you want to check if both A1 and B1 are greater than 50, you would write is equal to if and A150 B150, pass, fail. This formula will return pass only if both A1 and B1 meet the criteria, otherwise it will return fail. On the other hand, if you want to check if at least one condition is true, you can use the OR function with if. For instance, the formula is equal to if, or A150 B150, pass, fail will return pass if either A1 or B1 is greater than 50. Now, if you want to combine multiple and or statements within a single if function, you can do that too. For example, to check if either exam1 is greater than 50 and exam2 is greater than 50, or exam1 is greater than 40 and exam2 is greater than 60, you would write is equal to if, or and B250 C250, and B240 C260, pass, fail. Another useful method is using nested if statements or the ifs function. A nested if example could be is equal to if A190, excellent, if A175, good, needs improvement. Alternatively, the ifs function can be used like this. Is equal to ifs A190, excellent, A175, good, true, needs improvement. The ifs function checks conditions in order and returns the result for the first true condition. You can also incorporate the not function with if to test when a condition is false. For example, is equal to if not A150, below threshold, above threshold, will return below threshold if A1 is not greater than 50. Practical applications for these techniques are vast. You can use them to calculate bonuses based on multiple criteria, grade exams with various score thresholds, or validate data entries where several conditions must be satisfied. Excel allows you to use up to 127 conditions in AND or OR functions, and the if function can be nested multiple times. However, it is wise to keep your formulas clear and manageable to avoid confusion. Mastering how to handle multiple conditions with the if function in Excel is essential for creating flexible and logical tests. This skill will help you make better decisions and create more effective spreadsheets.